Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another wig review for Beauty Forever hair. I like that they sent over this little bag that I can put my wig inside of on top of the regular drawstring bag. These are the things that they sent over: edge brush, a wig cap, an elastic band, and then they always send over the little strips so you can wear it glueless. But for this wig I didn't even need to add the strips because I use a drawstring. So this is the 7x5 Yaki straight drawstring wig, and it's the brown color. You can see it's like ombre at the bottom. It does have the adjustable band in it, and then the lace is already pre-cut and pre-plucked. You have a clip in the back. You have the drawstring in the back, which is super convenient because it just makes sure that it fits to your head nice and snug. So that's what it looks like. It has the drawstring that you can pull as tight as you want to, and then it has this little piece on it, like this little ball piece, and you can pull that to make sure that the drawstring isn't going anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. I'm just using my foundation color and I'm tinting it so that it can match my skin tone perfectly. Okay, now we are going to apply the wig, and I already love this color. I just like how it makes my skin pop. So just from putting it on, like, the lace looks really nice. The parting space looks nice as well. I'm just making sure that I have it in the middle, and I love this little ear part, so that makes it comfortable to wear. It's not like pushing down on my ears. It has like the little ear contour, so it fits perfectly over my ear. So we are going to customize and adjust this wig so that it can be perfect for my head. I'm just pulling the drawstring, and as you guys can see, you can pull it very tight. Like you can pull it a lot. So I'm just pulling it to a nice comfortable fit. I don't want it to be too tight, and I'm just going to pull that little ball section and then tuck it right underneath. As you can see, when I'm tugging on my hair, it's not going anywhere. I'm going to add a little bit more of my foundation to the hairline to make sure that everything, you know, looks really nice. And as you can see, when I do that, it just pretty much looks undetectable, which I love. Next, I'm going to add my wax stick, and I like to just warm it up in the palm of my hands and then just smooth it over that middle section, and then I'm going to go over that middle section with my hot comb. Now I'm going to part the front pieces of my hair, and then we are going to frame my face. I like to go like kind of where my shirt starts, like around that little neck part, because I don't want my hair to go up too much. I just want it to be like a nice natural looking layer frame face. I don't want it to be too high, but I did kind of add a little bit more layers because I am going to curl it a little later. So I want to show you guys what the hair looks like when it's straight and what it looks like when it's curled. I'm just running my flat iron over the hair. I'm not really sectioning it off too much because the hair was pretty much straight, and I'm just running the flat iron to get rid of any like bumps or anything from the packaging. And you guys will see that it just instantly gives it even more body. As I'm brushing through it, it's just like already flowing. It already has body, and I just love how the color looks when it's straight. So I'm gonna give you guys some side views, back views. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then of course it is completely glueless, so you can definitely, you know, put this wig on, take it off, super easy. I just love how convenient it is. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and curl the hair. So I'm curling all the hair going towards the back, and I am sectioning this off because I do want all my curls to be really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now that all my curls are in, we are going to finger detangle, and just so that it's not like too curly like it was right there, and we just wanted to have like that effortless, beautiful look. And I like how when it's curled, the highlights, they really shine through. You can see the beautiful brown color, and it's just really, really pretty. And I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like from the side, and all of that. You can see the color from the back and everything. So if you guys like this wig or any other wig from Beauty Forever Hair, I will definitely have the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.